25 plus 25 not working, minus 3, nope, not working. So simple basic things aren't working. Very large model 120B is 35B, and you can just see the difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be testing the GPT-OSS 120B. I will be doing the same 3 tests. The first one's going to be the browser game, the calculator, and then the third one is going to be, let's see, expense tracker. Yeah, expense tracker. I did a video, I already uploaded it with Ornith 1.035B, and I'm just gonna test the same prompts and everything with this 120B, and let's see how that goes. I will be right back once I have the prompt prepared, and we'll get the process going. Okay, so I actually ran the browser game. I ran that last night, and the test just went terrible. I mean, GPT-OSS is absolutely, I mean, how smooth it went with Ornith 1.0, like it was totally just a mess. So I did some recordings, and you can see it on the screen here. I'll play the recording. So I sent in the prompt, and right away it's just started having issues. Like it was like saying, oh, headless browser is not installed, or just random issues. I have another video I'll show you. So this is where I am actually prompting it for the browser game, and within like a minute or something it just stops. So that was the first video, and then let me pull up the second one. Yeah, so this is where I'm showing like how much of work that I had to put in just to get it started. So you can see like after the first prompt it works for a little while, then it just stops. Then I prompt it again, then it says, okay, no headless browser, even though Firefox is installed. There's also Brave browser, and then it says cannot perform. It's just total mess. And then I prompt it again with a smaller prompt, and then it starts to do something, and it created something totally like. So this is where I'm like telling, okay, there is a browser. Look again, it's installed. This is where it's saved, and it's like a smaller prompt. So it just created like one, just a terrible looking thing. So I prompted it again. So it took about a minute and 59 seconds, and yeah, so I'll show right here like what it created. It's just terrible. Like nothing happens, and I click there. Yeah, so I can't see anything. There isn't anything, meteoroids or anything. The game is totally a mess. Um, so that was that's just terrible. And then I prompted again, so full prompt again, because it found the browser now, the headless browser, and so this is the result that came out of that. And we can kind of test both of them. Let me see. Okay, I am back. All right, so this is again just reviewing. This one is built with Ornith 1.035B, and you can see the difference. It's colorful, it's beautiful. You can move around. It's working. Everything. Start and stop works. Pause works. And then let's go to the the one that GPT-OSS. So mind you, this one is 120B LLM running locally, 120B, and then this is a 35B. So you can see the difference. It's just terrible. Like that is just in the middle of the screen. Anytime you hit pause, the it's like super slow, and it's, yeah. I mean, I guess it's working. The lives are working, but the game is not colorful. It's just terrible. I mean, I don't like it. It's not on the level where it should be. So now let's continue on. I have the 120B model GPT-OSS loaded, and we'll test the calculator prompt. It's the same prompt that I gave to Ornith. I'll give it to GPT-OSS. and let's see how that goes. If it fails, if it doesn't just take it and run with it and start building the calculator app, I am just going to stop the test from there, and then that's it. Like, I don't know, I don't want to mess around too much and give it prompts again and again while it's failing, and it's just it's doing a terrible job. So okay, so I have the I have it pasted. I'm kind of nervous because it's like, I don't know, it might fail. All right, I am back. It took 18 minutes and 58 seconds, and it made the calculator. This is what it's, yeah, it's not anything. Uh, yeah, so let me check the files, and I don't know what it's doing because it's saying like Ornith calculator web. I'm gonna pause the video here. Let me go check the files itself that it created. Maybe I can open it up from there. All right, I'm back. This is what I created. These buttons aren't even working. Clear history is not working. Okay, that works. All right, yeah, some of these buttons aren't even working. Okay, some of these are working. The clear is not working. That one, okay, this one's working. 25 plus 25, not working. That's working. -3, nope, not working. These are not working. Okay, just as a comparison, Ornith 1.0, 25 plus 3, yep, that works. So simple basic things aren't working. Just this is just showing you, just comparing a very large model 120B versus 35B, and you can just see the difference. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna stop here, and this will be the last test because 120B GPT-OSS is just not as good as some of these newer models. So um, I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.